Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by examining the paneer closely. This first step saves time. Inspect color variations. Pure milk paneer is off-white, while palm oil taints it orange-red. Once done, hold the block under light to spot glossy oil film or visible orange streaks. These indicate oil infusion. Smell the surface. A nutty, slightly earthy scent versus neutral dairy notes points to palm oil. Make sure to check recent cuts and package edges where oil concentrates. Act now to confirm presence before deeper tests. Next, you evaluate texture and run quick at-home tests to verify suspicion. Press a fingertip into paneer. If it feels slick or less crumbly than fresh milk curd, palm oil may be present. Then, rub a small piece on white paper. Once done, observe for an orange oil stain that won't water out. That stain explains why color and oil persist. Finally, rinse a sample under warm water. If color and oily beads remain, that confirms fatty pigment from palm oil rather than surface residue. To finish, you confirm and decide what to do with contaminated paneer. Taste a tiny bit cautiously. Palm oil may leave a faint oily or slightly bitter note compared to clean dairy flavor. If ambiguity remains, send a sample for laboratory fatty acid profiling or simple spectroscopy for definitive proof. If confirmed and you must salvage, wash thoroughly, press to remove surface oil, and briefly reheat. However, make sure to discard the block if oil or off odors persist, and document batch details for supplier follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.